Hi, now we learn how to create an AI design and how to create forms. Once again, go back to AI configuration after logging in. Click on transaction configuration, transaction side mapping. This is the transaction that you had created last time. If you want to change the name or any of those things related to the transaction style, you can click here. You will have the edit window. If you want to go inside the transaction style, then you use AI design. So this is what you would click on to create a new AI design. Once you reach the AI design, make sure every transaction style has an AI design before you start creating forms. Click on create new AI design. Give an appropriate name. Add a category here. Save the category. Make sure you select the right category here. And then the most important thing here is to mark the AI design as default. If you forget this step, once you start executing the process, you will run into issues. So I repeat, please mark the AI design as default. Only then click on save. Okay. Now that your AI design is ready, we will start with forms. So navigate to forms here. Click on create new template. The form window will open. Click on preview. Click on the form name. Click on the arrow and then click on form name. Type in your form name, form 1 for now. Click on save. Click outside so the preview window disappears. And then go back to training VR. And you should be able to see form here. All right. Thank you.